Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unboxing and assemble Green Soul Zodiac Pro office chair. It is having 2D adjustable arm sets and adjustable lumbar support. We just bought from Amazon and it was just delivered few hours back, and we are trying to assemble through the manual process. So before that we need one tool, but I don't have tool. So this frame is with me, so I use this frame, and now we are going to unbox. Let unboxing. So we see we have few things in this package, and separating one by one, having back side. This is the back side. This is the back side. So it is good. This is now wheel part. So it has around 6 wheels. Then main thing is sitting part. So it is coming this way. It is having 2 hand support, and below some levers are there. There are 2 levers here, and there is a hole is there, so we have to fix hydraulic part with this. So this is the seat. Now this is the hydraulic part, cylindrical hydraulic part, and it is quite heavy. Also there is a few things like keys, which can be used for screwing or tightening the screw. Now there is nothing other than that. Now we need, this is keys, and this is the back support. This is wheel part. And this is the back part. So now we have to unlock this screw and fasten to this chair part. So we have to make here, and we have to screwing here one by one. So we have to use 3 screw, and one by one, and using the keys we have to lock and tighten with the keys. we must tie it such that it will not displaced. So this is the keys, so it takes little time to fasten it. We should tie this, otherwise it might be vacillating. There are two levers are there. One is for back recline, another is for height setting, and another is for towards front and towards back. So I'll discuss this functionality or review this in the next video, but in this time we have to fasten hydraulic part, just putting hydraulic part into this wheel hole. Now whatever hole is there, so you have to keep on it, on the hydraulic part. Now chair is ready, you can sit. But there is one more things we have to fasten, that is we have to fasten the screw of the head part. This is just, you have to open the screw with the help of these keys provided by the manufacturer. It is within the box. Keys we already discussed. So opening the screw and attach the headset. Now it is almost ready. Now we need to tightening all the screw without fail, otherwise it will be creating problem while sitting. So we have to fasten every screw. I'll show the functionality the next video. If any issue is there, then you can directly contact the support team for their official site. I did not meet because I tried and it is already success for my site, but you can contact them. They will give you a video demo. It is kind of virtual demo. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll come with this review in the next video. Thanks for watching. So this part I'll discuss with this review after I'll use for 5 to 10 days. Then I'll make its review, how it is effective, how it is good for the back. I feel I have some back issue, so I need a good chair. So like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll come with